Hello, friends. Today we're going to talk about a topic that is a mystery for many. Do you know how powerful writing a research paper can be? It can be a game changer for your academic success, but is it really as difficult as it seems? Today I'm going to reveal the secrets you might have never heard before. Whether you're a beginner or even an expert looking to improve your writing, this video is definitely going to surprise you. By the end of this video, you will know the hidden formula to write a successful research paper. So watch till the end because there's an important clue in every step. Step 1. Choosing a research topic. Do you know the biggest mistake people make is choosing the wrong topic? You need a topic that's not just interesting, but one that has the potential for research. Do you think you should just choose your favorite subject? Wait, think again. Is your subject unique enough for research? Don't rush, because if you choose the wrong topic, your entire paper could be ruined. You need a topic that is not only exciting, but also allows you to explore new dimensions. Step 2. Literature review. Now let me tell you about something hidden. Do you know the literature review could be your biggest advantage? Yes, you heard that right. The secret of top researchers around the world is that they have deeply understood the research already done on their topic. Because why read what's already been written twice? So friends, don't skip this step. This is where you get your edge. Step 3. Forming a hypothesis or research question. This is the point where your true skill shines. But there's a trick here. Most people think their research question is just a formality, but your research question is the magic wand that will either propel you forward or bring you down. Do you know what makes a perfect research question? It should be a question that seems simple, but is difficult to answer. Step 4. Research design and methodology. This is the step where most people get confused. Let me explain it this way. You need to think like a scientist. Research design means your master plan. And this is the plan that will help you gather data, but there's a twist. If your research method is wrong, your entire research could fail. Choose your research method wisely. Surveys, interviews, or experiments. Which one will work best? That's the decision you need to make. Step 5. Data analysis. Have you collected your data? Now comes the most important phase, data analysis. But this is not a simple process, it's the key to your success. Analyzing data is like going on a treasure hunt where the answers are hidden. Will you be able to find them? Let me give you a tip. If you use the right approach to understand your data, you can glorify your research. Step 6. Conclusion and discussion. So by now you've analyzed your data, but wait, you will face another challenge. And how do you make your findings impactful? This is the part where you show the world what your research means. Your conclusion will show just how meaningful your research is and whether it will have any impact on future research or not.
Thank you guys. If you like the video, then hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like, share, and comment.